Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in Excel using a function. Here I have some Celsius values, using the convert function. In a new cell, type equals convert. You will see three parameters. 1. Number, the value you want to convert. 2. From unit, the unit you are converting from. 3. To unit, the unit you want to convert to. Now follow these steps. First, select the number cell. For me, it is C2. Type a comma, then for the from unit, type C for Celsius. Type another comma, then for the to unit, type F for Fahrenheit. Now close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will return the value in Fahrenheit. If you want to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, just reverse the units. Change C to F and F to C in the formula. Apply to other cells. To apply the formula to other values, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell and drag down. And that's how you can convert temperature units in Excel using the convert function. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.